Withdrawing funds from your Netflix account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Check payment methods. In the account settings, look for the membership and billing section. Here, you can review your payment methods and any funds that may be available for withdrawal. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and complete withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal, you may need to confirm your request. Follow any additional instructions provided and ensure you receive a confirmation of the transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your designated account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.